In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files and links to cards in Trello. This is a quick and straightforward tutorial designed to help you efficiently manage your projects with Trello's versatile features. Whether you're collaborating with a team or keeping track of personal tasks, knowing how to attach files and links to Trello cards can significantly streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in. First, head over to your internet browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the Trello homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it to initiate the login process. Here you have two options. You can log in using your email address or opt for the convenience of your Google account. Either method will grant you access to your Trello dashboard. After logging in, your next step is to head to your Boards section. To do this, locate and select the Boards option from the menu, which will display all the boards you have access to. If you have multiple workspaces, you might want to ensure you're in the correct workspace by navigating to the Your Workspaces section. This organization is crucial for accessing the specific board where you want to attach files or links. With your desired board open, scan the list of cards until you find the one you wish to modify. Clicking on the card will open its detailed menu on your screen. Look for the Attachments option here, prominently displayed within your card menu options. This is your gateway to attaching both files and links. To attach a link, simply click on the Attachments option and you'll see a space where you can paste your link. After pasting the link, there's an opportunity to add a description, which can provide context or details about what the link pertains to. This step is particularly useful for team collaborations, ensuring everyone is on the same page about what each attachment means or leads to. Once you've added your link, you can proceed with attaching files. Click on the attachments again if needed and you'll see the option to choose a file. Selecting this will open a dialog box, typically providing access to your computer's file explorer. Navigate through your files, select the one you want to attach and hit open. The file will upload directly to the Trello card, making it accessible to anyone with access to this board and specific card. Finally, once you've successfully attached your files and links, you can close the card menu by clicking the Close button, usually situated in the upper right corner of the menu. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to attach files and links to your Trello cards. This feature can greatly enhance your project management capabilities, allowing for a more organized and collaborative environment within Trello. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful Trello tips and tricks.